Hey guys, today I'm gonna do a small review on Dymatize Elite Whey protein, and I've been using this protein from almost 20 days, and I got very good results from this protein powder. And this is the second time that I've been using this product, and earlier I used this product way back in 2012 when I was following the similar training as I'm doing now, that is towards fat loss. And to be honest, I'm very satisfied with this product. That's the only reason that I've been taking this protein again. Now the reason I got this is because they did some minor modifications when it comes to the composition of the protein, and also the BCAAs as well. Earlier it had 24 grams of protein, and now it seems like they increase it to 1 gram, though it doesn't make any difference, but still, more the better. And if we look at the content here, this is how it looked like. And if we look at the contents here, you'll see that it has 25 grams of protein, 5.5 grams of BCAAs, 4 grams of glutamine, and also 1 gram of sugar. And this one is vanilla flavor, and it seems pretty good. Now if we look at the nutrition facts right here, it says the serving size is 1 scoop, that is 33.6 grams. Here, just let me bring it closer. There you go. 33.6 grams of serving size, and you'll get approximately 68 servings per container. And also the calories is 120, which is we get 10 calories from fat. And looking at the other composition here, we also get potassium, sodium, and little amount of calcium and little amount of iron as well. But the more important thing here is obviously protein. So we're looking at 25 grams of protein per serving. Now, the value wise, I think that this protein is pretty good, because I'm from India, so I don't really have much option when it comes to protein powders. I mean, we have top proteins here, but then again, this is something that's easily available and also quite economical. And the value wise, it's something that I think that it's pretty good in India. And it is also very good. So well, how I can say the value is good, because one thing is for sure, that it is quite inexpensive here in India, and also the fact that it has decent amount of protein. So that's the value for me here, right here. The quality, again, I mean most of the people buy protein powders looking at the composition, as in the amount of protein they're offering, and most people don't even look at the calories, or they just look at the sugars and they just buy the protein. But for me, I mean, I look more towards the amino acid profile. When I got this protein in 2012, I was merely looking into the profiles, I was merely looking into the sugars. To be honest, I was not educated enough on this particular subject, on what to get and what protein is the best for me. So I decided to do some more research on the amino acid profiling, and also the calories that I'm getting from, and also the contents. Now if we look at the ingredients right here, it's something very important. It says 100% whey protein blend, whey protein isolate, whey protein concentrate, whey peptides, natural and artificial flavors, and in the end it says stevia leaf extract. Now most of the people don't know about stevia leaf extract, or maybe they know but they ignore the fact that it does not contain any calories, and it is sweeter than sugar. And also the fact that stevia does not raises your insulin levels, so means that you still get to taste the sweetness of the sugar, but you don't get the calories, and also you don't get the spike that we get from the insulin as well. So it helps you keep the insulin level low. Now I also wanted to clarify one more fact, that this particular protein, I mean all the protein powders, they actually raise insulin level. Well, to be honest, I mean anything we eat will probably raise insulin level up to an extent. But consuming whey protein, it also releases a substance called glucagon. Now, glucagon is anti-insulin, even though it does raises the insulin, but it keeps the effects, the negative effects of insulin, in other words, out of whey. So it is something that you want, and it puts the amino acids into the muscle cells where you want it right after your workout. So it's good even if it increases your insulin levels. So this is something that I've been trying to tell to the people, and also I've been trying to do a small research that when you look at the facts, you need to look at sugar levels, not only the sugar level but also the amino acids profile per serving. Now, I wanted to actually share about this particular information that I think might be useful for the people looking into while choosing their protein powders. What they do is that they look into the amino servings. They carefully look at the BCAAs, like leucine, isoleucine, like the valine, and they see that obviously it's something that the amount of these amino acids, something it's high. They just go for it. But if we look carefully, you will see that there are other aminos, conditionally essential, non-essential, and most of the people, they just ignore the fact that they don't even look at the composition. They don't even look at what other amino acids do to your body. For example, this arginine, it actually helps to produce growth hormone, and it is something that's quite beneficial if you take it empty stomach in the morning. L-arginine. Well, did you ever think about taking supplements? I mean, that you never heard about, like taking a supplement of L-lysine or maybe L-arginine? Well, most of the people don't think about it, but yes, it is necessary, because these all amino acids is a part of protein, and these amino acids are required in order to break down of protein to the hormone releasing, and also when it comes to the growth hormone production. So it is indeed quite important. Now, I wanted to share this fact about this amino acid. It's called tryptophan. Now, if you look at tryptophan, it's only it's 413 milligrams here. But what it does to your body is that it's very important as well. It releases growth hormones. So, I mean, any amino acid that has something to do with growth hormone is obviously going to be beneficial when it comes to bodybuilding, if you want to gain size as well. So this is something that you don't want to mix it with. I mean, you can clearly search Google yourself and check out the amino acid profile for Dymatize Whey, and then you can check out the amino acid profile for Optimum Nutrition Whey. You will see that Optimum Nutrition probably have more BCAAs, but if you look at the other conditionally essential amino acids and non-essential amino acids, it's something more balanced approach towards protein. So Dymatize, I think, did a good job when it comes to the protein, and this is something which is required for almost everyone who is engaged with either fat loss or either with muscle building. As I said before about these non-essential amino acids, now for example, lysine, it helps metabolize fats into energy, and if you take it with L-carnitine, it's something very useful for fat loss. And then again, there is tryptophan, which releases growth hormone, and then there is glutamine, which also increases growth hormone, and also there's another non-essential amino acid called cysteine, L-cysteine, and what it does is basically reduces the cravings for sugar as well. So these all amino acids are very helpful when it comes to bodybuilding, not only the BCAAs. Well, to be honest, I don't understand why people only take BCAAs. Why don't they take the whole amino profile? I mean, it's a question I always wanted to look into. Probably there are hundreds of people, tons of people looking for better quality BCAAs, but they just want to pair it with the regular whey protein powder. Why do they want to do that? Why do they don't want to take the whole amino acids? So you can also search about amino acids profile onto Google and see what's more beneficial for you if you're working towards your goal. So obviously, I mean, if you're lean, if you want to gain more what do you call it, muscle mass, I mean, BCAAs are fine, but then again, there are other things that you need to consider as well. And also, don't forget the fact that your liver is working very hard when we take foods rich in protein, because all this food has to go through our liver. So you can pair this protein powder or any other protein or any supplement with a good supplement for your liver as well. I mean, milk thistle is something very good, and then there is there's another Indian herb called Phyllanthus neruri. That is also pretty good. So there are like many supplements that you can get as well. So let me just show you how it looks from inside here. Here, as you can see, there's the scoop right there. Well, I don't want to make my hand dirty, but let me just show you the scoop right here. Oh, there it goes. And also, I forgot to mention that it actually mixes very well. So I would rate 5 out of 5 when it comes to mixability, and it also tastes very good. So I would rate this product 4.5 out of 5 because it worked for me earlier, it is working for me now, and it is helping me to reach towards my goal. So if you want something that could help you in terms of bodybuilding, in terms of gaining more lean muscle, you can definitely consider Dymatize. And you can search it on the Google what amino acid profile is good for you, and also you can compare with the calories, and also the more important thing, the sugars. So this is about whey protein, and I'm also taking one liquid amino. It's from QNT, and I'll probably do a small review about that as well later. So I hope you like it, guys. In case if you have any questions, let me know. You can write down a comment below, and I'll be more than happy to reply back. Thanks for your time, guys. Bye.